Have you ever heard the expression, absence makes the heart grow fonder? Everyone likes to be with their man or boyfriend almost every time, but are you aware that getting him to miss you is the secret ingredient in your love potion for him to love you more? Whether you're trying to spice up your relationship or keep things going, these helpful and proven tips will really make him miss you even more. Here are top 15 ways on how to make a man miss you like crazy. But before we continue with our video, we are requesting all of you to please subscribe to our channel, Believer. And just like you, we are believers of love and happy relationships, and our main goal is for you to build great relationships with the ones you love. Please subscribe to our channel and comment, "I am a believer of love," so we can officially welcome you to our channel. May all of you be well, especially during this time of pandemic and wherever you are in the world. We hope and pray for your safety and good health. Number 1. Create a signature scent that he will associate with you. Simply put, whenever you meet up with your boyfriend, wear your signature scent so that he begins to recognize you by it. Use a high-quality perfume, shampoo, or lotion as much as possible. Imagine yourself resting on his shoulder or chest, leaving your lovely scent on his body, and he'll be reminded of you every time he smells something even vaguely similar. Number 2. Don't always make yourself available to him. When you're in love with someone, you obviously want to spend a lot of time with them. However, you must not always be with him in order to create the feeling that he misses you. You don't have to devote all of your time to him all of the time. If you're always available, your boyfriend won't miss you. Look for things that you can invest in yourself. Separate yourself from him by creating your own space and time. While it is critical to spend time together in order to win his heart, it is also critical to give him space in order for him to realize how unique you are and how much he misses you. Number 3. Prepare a delectable meal for him. Make delicious home-cooked meals for your boyfriend to impress him. His taste buds will undoubtedly miss the food you prepare for him on a regular basis. If you still don't know how to cook, it's time to learn something new. Number 4. Spend time with your pals and friends. You are not required to spend all of your time with him. You should also keep in touch with your friends on a regular basis. Plan a girls' night out or a girls' trip, and then show him pictures of you and your friends having fun. He'll be happy you're having a good time after a few days away from him, but he'll also be jealous. He'll want to join you on your next adventure if he sees how much fun you're having. You can also balance the equation by doing something without him, which will make him miss you in the end. Number 5. Make an investment in yourself. Make over your makeup, dress up for him, or get a new haircut. Even after you leave, you will remain attractive and memorable in your boyfriend's eyes and mind. He'll start thinking about you and wanting to be near you. This will work, especially if you're attracting the attention of other guys. Invest in yourself and make yourself happy to make your guy miss you. Number 6. Use social media to highlight the fun arts in your life. You can use social media to make him miss you if you want him to. Make sure your social media feed is up to date so he can see how much fun you're having. Guys are more visual creatures, so if you give him something interesting to look at, he'll be hooked, which leads to the next step. But don't make up fake posts. Just be yourself, have fun, and be genuine. Number 7. Take some time before responding to his texts and phone calls. Another way to make your boyfriend miss you is to not respond to his texts and phone calls right away. Demonstrate to him that you have a second life. So, whenever he randomly calls or texts you, make him wait a while before answering. This way, he'll miss you even more than you imagined. Number 8. Restore the mystery and suspense in your most creative way. Avoid sharing everything you're thinking or feeling. Rather than allowing him to become accustomed to your routine, challenge him with new activities and provide him with more of the fun and positive associations that he enjoys. Remind him of your courtship period, when everything was still a mystery to the two of you. Number 9. Go away for the weekend without him. Anything that excludes him will keep him at bay and make him crave more. Take a weekend off and go alone or with a group of friends. Simply unwind, indulge, and enjoy. You can be sure that when you return, he will be overjoyed to see you. Number 10. Be self-sufficient. He will miss you more if you become more independent and less reliant on him. When you stop contacting him for trivial matters, he'll begin to wonder, which will, I'm sure, work in your favor. Number 11. Make him fantasize about you by texting him late at night. Before you go to bed, make sure you're on his mind. How is this even possible? Send him a text. If you want to talk to him for a while, text him something important that happened today. It will keep the discussion going. When you want to make him miss you, send him a text at night. If you want him to dream about you, be the last person he speaks to before falling asleep. Even though it's a good thing to do, don't make it a habit. He'll lose interest if you don't. Chat for several nights in a row, then take a day off before texting at night for another 2 to 3 days. This will keep the tempo going, and you will undoubtedly remain in his mind. Number 12, be a cheerful girlfriend. Who would miss having a dull girlfriend? If you're a lot of fun to be around and always make your guy smile, he'll miss you when he doesn't see you. Your cheerful and charming face will stay with him wherever he goes. Number 13, make him appreciate how fortunate he is to have you. Make your man realize how valuable you are. Let him know that you're one of a kind and that losing you will make him deeply regret it. If your boyfriend realizes that you are someone to be treasured and kept for, he will surely be unable to forget about you. Number 14, be that sweet, loving, and caring girlfriend to him at all times. Of course, the best thing that guys will miss is the extraordinary love and care that their girlfriends show them. If you truly want your boyfriend to miss you, make him fall deeply in love with you. Always show him tender loving care. Make him happy when he's sad. Be there for him when he needs it. Nurse him when he's sick. Understand him when he makes mistakes. Be faithful to him, and love him for who he truly is. Number 15, avoid making it too obvious. Don't put too much pressure on your man. Expecting him to miss you and text you every hour is unrealistic. Be honest. He, like you, has a life of his own. You don't have anything to do? Instead of missing him all day and bothering him whenever you're bored or life feels empty, start focusing on your life. This can be very irritating for a man, and he may lose interest in you as a result. So give him his own space while you do something productive as well. These are helpful methods that can make your man miss you more. We hope that these steps will make him feel more in love with you. Thank you for watching.